Hi there, I'm Betsy with Rowmark, and today I'm here with my friend Janessa.
Hello.
And we're in our fabrication shop here at Rowmark in Findlay, Ohio, and we're going to be talking a little bit about LaserMaxTri Layer. So this is a 3-ply sheet that our team developed to help speed up the fabrication process and eliminate those secondary processes. So I'm going to hand it over to Janessa, and she's going to talk through some of those tech tips and how to laser engrave this material.
Here are some tips and tricks for fabricating with the LaserMaxTri Layer material. We have our material in the laser bed, focused just like any other normal material. We're going to start by vector cutting the material out. We are using a 15% speed, 80% power, and we're leaving the masking on for this. Okay, our vector cutting is done. We're going to open up the laser and unmask our material so that we can raster engrave the first layer and the second layer. For engraving the first layer, we're going to use a 75% speed, 25% power with a 600 dpi. Now that our first layer of raster engraving is complete, we can finally move on to our second layer. We're going to be using a 0.06 inch offset to achieve this with a 65% speed and a 60% power. Now that our second layer of engraving is also complete, we'll pull out the finished product. Depending on your laser, you can either send over individual jobs for each layer or color map accordingly. This material also works wonderfully with rotary engraving, and you can find those tips and tricks on our LaserMaxTri Layer material page on Rowmark.com.
Well, thanks, Janessa.
My pleasure.
For sharing those tips. So with LaserMaxTri Layer, we have 5 color combinations, and you can see some of those here. Janessa's holding up those. And also, if you'd like to see some of these tech tips, you can head to Rowmark.com. And this will include all of the tech tips that Janessa explained, as well as some other helpful tips along the way for rotary and laser engraving this product. If you're interested in receiving a sample of LaserMaxTri Layer, you can also head to Rowmark.com and request a sample pack. So thanks for joining us. I'm Betsy.
I'm Janessa.
Have a great day.